Here is Brian's first avocado. Oh, oh. What do you think about that? Yeah? Yeah, maybe? You want to try some more? Okay. Let's try a little bit more. Ready? Oh, you got it all that time. What do you think about that? You like it? It's all gone. Here it comes. You need some time on that one? Ready? Just do a half a spoon. Look at you digging it. Chowing down. Yeah? You want more? Ow. Got it all. Whoops. You got it. You did it. You like it, yeah. Ready? Kicking, kicking. Kick, kick, kick away. Uh-oh. Did you get a sour spot? Here we go some more. Ready? You did it. Yeah. Okay. Some more. Yummy in your tummy. Oh, I dropped one. There we go.